Hi stamping friends, Deb Hoekstra here from the studios of Bee-Bug Creations, and today I'm here to share with you a really fun, quick, simple technique called the kissing technique. And I'm going to be, this is what I'm going to be showing you how to do, is how to create a leaf like this. And the leaf image that I used is from this new stamp set from the upcoming holiday catalog. It's called For All Things. It's a really great fall themed stamp set to make birthday cards or thank you cards or Thanksgiving cards or whatever with. I'm going to be using this leaf image from it. The other stamp set that I'm going to be using to show you this technique is the Positively Chevron stamp, and that's a big background stamp. So without further ado, this is how you do the kissing technique. There's no significance to the oval there. I just have a whole bunch of them left over from another project, so I'm just using them up to stamp images on. I am using the So Saffron ink with the leaf image from that For All Things stamp set. So I'm going to ink up my stamp with the So Saffron ink, and I want to make sure that it's got a good covering of ink on it. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this Positively Chevron background stamp into the picture here. And you notice here I don't have it on a wood block. For this technique, you don't really need it on a, on a clear block. You can do this technique without it because you're not really moving the background stamp at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ink my background stamp. So I'm using my stamp pad on my rubber stamp. Then I'm going to take this stamp that I inked with the So Saffron yellow, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to touch the stamp to my inked Positively Chevron, which, by the way, I inked in Tangelo Twist. So here we go. I'm going to just press my stamp right on top of that background stamp, and I don't know if you can see in the camera or not, but you can see the chevron shape going across the leaf. And so then I'm going to bring my cardstock in here, and I'm going to just go ahead and press my stamp onto my cardstock, and when I lift it up, you're left with a decorative image. Now the kissing technique works best with a solid background or a solid stamp like this leaf, and then some sort of a background stamp that's going to cover the entire solid stamp. So for instance, in this For All Things stamp set, I used the leaf because I wanted the leaf shape, but you certainly could use this banner image, or you could use this watercolor wash stamped image as well to do the background stamp. So that's it. That's the kissing technique. You need a solid stamp and a background stamp. You ink the solid stamp with your lighter color. The darker color goes on your background stamp. In this case, I used So Saffron and Tangelo Twist. So hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on the kissing technique, and we'll see you next time.